Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So join me on this video as I make my friend's hair. So she came with this hair. It's from Darling. It's called Empress. So she wanted to do French Curl Braids, and I proceeded to pre-section the hair, but noticed the hair was tangling. So I brushed out those tangles, and this led to me losing the coils. And at the end of the video you will see what I did to achieve the coils back. So this is her hair, natural, healthy, full hair. This is me parting the back of her head, and then I started braiding. Stay tuned, guys. This section was very fun and entertaining for me because we hadn't seen each other for a long time, and we had a lot of gist, a lot of chatting, a lot of fun moments, and yeah. So she was actually bubbling to the music in the background. So you can see, oh, right here she was trying to tell me, oh, are you sure you're not parting it too small? And I'm like, what do you mean too small? It's not small, because she wanted the hair to be to go very fast. But yeah, as we went on, someone actually assisted and made this hair like really fast. We ended up finishing before the pre-planned time, because she has a very little baby to go back to at home. Yeah, so you can see her, she knows how to dance very well on her seat. By the moment she stands up, no, seriously speaking, she's a good dancer. She's also a YouTuber, she's a TikToker. So on TikTok you see all her dances. So I break down. When I get to the end, I ask her how far she wants me to braid, and she tells me, and then I make my knots. So this is how I make my knot. This is actually a good way of knotting your braids. It does not unravel. So yeah, watch it carefully. If you don't understand how I did it, you can put it on slow motion or watch it multiple times. But it's really easy to do. Then halfway to the middle of the head, then this lady came to join me, a colleague at the salon. She joined me, and really I was extremely grateful, because yeah, you can see she has a lot of hair, and I did not want her to stay too long because of her child. And if you hear noises of children screaming at the background, those are my kids, and this is the only time I have to do the voiceover. So listen to them and be blessed. So at this point I realized my camera wasn't filming, and I was done with the braids. So I filmed what I did to get back the coils. I took foil paper, I folded it, like made it into a round shape, like should I say like a coily rod, because I didn't have coily rod at that moment, and I thought coily rod would slip off. I wanted to use perm rods. Perm rods are too small, they will give very deep coils. So I decided to do it like this, and look guys, see the coils, they're bouncing. Even my friend was excited because we were doing testing to see if it will come out good. And when she saw the results, we were both excited. We had tried different methods. The coil in front, I had used a large comb to hold it and then use hot dryer to create that coil. We didn't like it, so we proceeded to use this, and we were both excited and contented with the end result. So I was showing you now that in the hot water I put a conditioner into the water so that it helps the hair, so to soften the hair, and then went ahead to apply styling mousse. Applied it all over the braids to keep flyaways in one place. And here at this point I was messing around with her. Yeah, we were both very happy for the speed at which we finished this braids, and I went on to fix her edges. I also used gel and then used mousse for her edges, after which I tied it down and went ahead to use the blow dryer to keep it in place. And I added pictures of the final look at the end of the video, which you're going to see. I really appreciate you all for staying with me and watching my videos. Thank you very much. Subscribe, share to others, and please turn on your notification bell so you will be alerted when I post videos. Thank you. Bye.